Science class with teacher Shanmari. Today's topic is dentition of animals. Do you know that animals have different types of teeth? Okay, we know there are three types of animal: carnivore, herbivore, and omnivore. Let's see about carnivore. Carnivores have sharper canines than other animals, have sharp canines to tear the meat. But herbivore. Herbivore have strong incisors to cut plants and have a big molars to grind plants to easier swelling. And next is about omnivore. Omnivore have incisors to cut food and have a canines to tear the meat. And lastly, have a molars to grind the food. Let's observe some. If animals' teeth did not suit their eating habits, what will happen to these animals? Let's observe the pictures for the herbivores, omnivores, and carnivores. If animals did not have the suit teeth, it will be hard to eat. Now, activity time. Open your activity book, page 42 and 43. At page 42, match the animal with its correct dentition. And then at page 43, fill in the blanks. For this, you have to read the sentence and you have to fill in the blanks with the correct answer. After done your activity, you can check your answer by observe this. If your answer is wrong, you can do correction by using your color pencil. Let's see the next topic. Changes in the animal's eating habits. Let's see an example animal that are changing eating habits. The example animals is bear. Bears are naturally omnivores that eat plants and other animals. However, polar bears have changed their eating habits. Polar bears are classified as carnivores because they eat other animals only. They live in the polar regions, which are always cold and covered in ice. They cannot find plants because plants cannot grow in the polar regions. Therefore, polar bears eat other animals only. Now, in your activity book, page 44, answer all the questions. You can read the questions and answer it. Later, we can check the answer. Let's check the answer. What is the natural eating habit of bears? It is omnivore. Number 2. What is the eating habit of polar bears? Why? Carnivore, because they cannot find plants in the polar regions and eat other animals only. Question number 3. Predict what will happen to animals if there is not enough food in their surroundings. Animals will eat other types of food. That's all for today. Thank you, class.